everyone, and welcome back to the English Hub, the place where learning English is easy, slow, and fun. My name is Emily, and I'm very happy to be here with you today.
Hello, Emily.
And hello to all our amazing listeners from around the world.
My name is Paul, and we are excited to practice English with you.
That's right, Paul. No stress, no pressure, just simple English. Paul,
Exactly. You don't need perfect English, you just need to try.
Paul, how are you today?
I'm doing very well, thank you.
I woke up early, had breakfast, and drank a big cup of coffee. A big cup of coffee? That sounds perfect.
Yes, coffee gives me energy.
How about you, Emily? I'm doing great. I feel happy and ready to help everyone practice English today.
That's wonderful.
Before we start, we have a small request for you.
Yes, if you like learning English with us, please like this video.
Please subscribe to the English Hub.
And don't forget to share this episode with a friend or family member.
Your support helps us a lot. Thank you so much.
Emily, let's start with something very common.
Yes, something everyone does.
Getting coffee.
Perfect. Coffee shops are great places to practice English.
Okay, listeners, please listen carefully.
I work in the coffee shop. Paul is the customer. Hello. Welcome to our coffee shop. How can I help you today?
Hello. Can I have one coffee, please?
Of course. Would you like a hot coffee or an iced coffee?
It is a sunny day today. I would like an iced coffee, please.
Great choice. What size would you like? We have small, medium, and large.
A medium, please.
Okay. Would you like milk or sugar?
No, thank you. Just black coffee.
No problem at all. Would you like something to eat?
Maybe. What do you have?
We have cookies, sandwiches, and cake.
Oh, do you have banana bread?
I'm sorry, but we don't have banana bread today.
That's okay. I'll take one chocolate cookie.
Perfect. So that is one medium iced coffee and one cookie.
Yes, that's right.
Your total is $6.
Here you are.
Thank you very much. Your coffee will be ready soon.
Thank you. Have a nice day. That was a complete conversation.
Yes. And notice the simple sentences. Can I have? Would you like? No problem.
Very polite and very useful.
Now let's practice shopping.
Shopping is great English practice.
This time you work in the shop.
Hello. Welcome to the store. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a t-shirt.
What color are you looking for?
I like blue, green, or white.
We have many colors. Here is a blue one.
Oh, I like that color very much.
What size do you need?
I think I'm a medium and
Here you go. Would you like to try it on?
yes, please.
The fitting room is over there.
Okay. I tried it on and it fits perfectly.
It looks great on you.
Thank you. How much is it?
It's $15.
That's a good price. I'll take it.
Cash or card?
Card, please.
Here is your bag. Thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you for your help.
Emily, what if I am lost?
That happens to everyone.
The first words are very important.
Yes. Always say, excuse me.
Excuse me. Can you help me?
Of course. Where do you want to go?
Where is the bus station?
Go straight, then turn left. The bus station is on the right.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Now let's meet a new person.
This can feel scary, but it's okay. Hello. My name is Paul.
Hi, Paul. I'm Emily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Do you live here?
Yes, I do. What about you?
No, I'm visiting.
What do you do, Paul?
I'm a teacher.
And you? I'm a writer.
That's very interesting. Ring, ring.
Hello?
Hi, Emily. Are you free on Saturday?
Saturday? Yes, I am free in the afternoon.
Do you want to go to the park?
I would love to.
What time is good for you?
2 p.m. is perfect.
Great. Let's meet near the clock tower.
Okay, see you on Saturday. Talking about the weather is very easy.
And very common. It's a beautiful day today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Very sunny and warm.
I love this weather.
Me too. How do we end a conversation politely?
We give a reason. I have to go now. It was nice talking to you.
And don't forget to say goodbye.
Emily, it was great practicing English with you.
It was great talking with you too.
And thank you to everyone listening.
Tell us in the comments, where do you practice English? See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.